peeps, just rising. Yeah man, that's how the hills look before sunrise. Yeah man. So the phone never ring it, huh? What a shot the boy. What a shot them this. Yeah man, I go down there so later. Go to the process and go down there. Go run on the river there so. Yeah man. Welcome people, Freelance, Jamaica TV. Today we're down on the river. I'm taking on the river. Last time I come at peeps, the river never so clean. We clear the water, clean the names. Well clean. I want the tour them peeps. I want the river tour them. Taking the Freelance. Get the ice. Get the swim. Everybody look like you get all deeper. And cable in there right there, so.
You
can pull two clear fish. I'm going to try to fuck it. Water look deep over there. So like our Cosman here, you can see because the merch and see them peeps, look at that. Yeah man, so you don't know. You can link up Freelance Jamaica and get a t-shirt, white, blue, black, yellow. Yeah man, any color you need outside. So we are giving a little tour now with people. So now I go on the river today. You can see the river clean out in the peeps. Yeah man, rainfall, river clean. It's like you want it to clean out there. So alright people, as you can see up on the river. My man in there. Yeah man, nice beautiful river. You can come, get your bath, get your beard. Yeah man, as you can see up on the river in the peeps. And we are going to do it in a real life. See Cosman up there so there. Yeah man, we are Cosman to do it. So people right now, we even there in Kingston, and I don't know, we're up on the west side of the island. Yeah man, I will show them beauty. It's just one of many rivers with people. This I just one out of many rivers where you can tour with Freelance. Yeah man, you can come tour with Freelance and get them experience of it. So remember now, you know have to go to Dungiva Falls to get them experience of it. You can come right at Freelance TV, come booking with people. Yeah man, you see that? You get a nice experience. Right now, it's a falls, you know, we don't clean it up back. Yeah, you can hike. You can make a hike. Come down there. Come down that side, come on. You know, you have to hike from way down a spring. Come here, so. And you reach it, so you can get a little wash off, you drink your water down a spring. And you come up. You chop it through here. Can come through here, so. Walk to the water. As usual, I can walk up here, so. See the slope there. Walk and come up. Yes, and this river is called Flat Rock Peaks. So right now we are at the legendary Flat Rock. So everybody come on Flat Rock people. Everybody come on Flat Rock, come enjoy themselves. Come all a joy. Yeah. Everybody, see that? Water sweet. You can listen to the sound, listen to nature people. Listen to the sound of that. Yeah man, see them people checking, take a good look. So it's alright, that's how my feet. Yeah man, I can find fish right, that's how crayfish. The search is good now, we're good to find crayfish together. Right, that's how right, that's how. Alright, that's how that's how. Yeah man, so we're good to find crayfish right, that's how. So people, this is a natural oasis, you see. We have a little miniature up on right there, so we have a stone inside. Yeah man, you have a stone inside. So you sit down fan, you can lay down right there, so get your back massage. So you get your massage right there, so my people. Yeah, that's right. We have to walk further up. And this thing, you know. You know further to right or so. Just now, it's the next little section of the river. We connect it to the bigger part. And you can see it come to 2 column people. And the river you peeps, the river you come straight from the hill. Yeah man, the river you always cool. It's always cool, my peeps. People, we're out on the river now, man, you know, peeps. Yeah. Water cold, you know. Water well cold. Alright, that's all. That's all, man. You want to we can find a couple of places like that. You know, I look at their business, so right, that's all. Yeah, man. I can see behind me. I see cars behind the door. Yeah, man, I see cars there. Husband there up on the river, outside people. So come book on the tour, book your tour people. Freelance, Jamaica TV. Don't be shy people, come book a tour. Get your amount nice. And we have our next section up there, so it's about good 4 or 5 hours of walking. Exercise, a good stay, you see people. In the water, you know. Cool. And I see, rain and fall, long as river not come down, you're good. That's what I'm people. Yeah man. You see, I beat out the merch then people. So get your merch, that is good. Get your merch people. Yeah man, and don't know cooking is going, right? That's all. Cooking going, yes sir. Sometimes the cooking is going over there, so. Anyway, that's how we cook. Anyway, right, that's how we people. So this is what I want to the people. I want to come in, link up Freelance, come get a good tour of them. Yeah, that is it. And remember, we have the river right there, so we have the spring down there, so you can get your water to drink. Yeah man, natural water, all cool. And we have a next one to show in the enchantment world, but nah, but that's a today. Because I show on a flat rock. And yeah. I know there's a whole rain and fall. So you don't know say the river them wash out clean. Yeah man, river them clean the people. Yeah. I don't know go to take a dip for so. The water cool. Water cool and bad. Yeah, I'm going to take a one dip. But I take one stick and test the water when I don't feel to see how far, because remember when I go I don't fit how far, because the river come down the water actually. The river wash out in the bottom thing to get wash out the sand. So don't make it deep. And I say everybody, most people in the community, 90% of them can fetch them water for drink. Yeah, we have a line up back of work, that's how we close and spread. And then things on the people. But I know say some little debris there, right? But up that's how it used to be. That's how it used to be. You know? One thing. But stick and stay people, we outside. Yeah people, so we have a little native. They're full of color. Yeah man. I went gone. You see him? See him come back? Yeah man. See if him a walk up. When he come fish from me I knew that tail. But you can see the nice pretty bird and my people. Yeah man, whole heap of wildlife them a fish. Whole heap of wildlife. Whole heap of parrot. Yeah, whole heap of parrot, whole heap of, you know, whole heap of animal. Whole heap of bird, exotic bird. Unique to Jamaica with culture. Yeah man, so cause man meditate. Right there so now, you see right there so? Right there so the spot where you sit down and meditate. Yeah. Right there so. Or if you don't use that so, normally we use right there so. Or on the horizon right there so. You sit down, listen to the water where you flow and you meditate. Relax your brain. Yeah man. Well, anyway, we are going to try see if we can get some of them things out of the water. Yeah, man. You know what's a crayfish fully there over there, so, you know. Yeah, like the circle, you catch crayfish. Yeah, man, you catch crayfish. So we are going to go back up at the mouth up there. But we are going to walk around as a peeps. People. Reach up at the falls, you know. Right, let's say you jump off to swim. So water, yeah. Cold, it's the water, you know. But for some reason, the river look deep up on that side. Yeah. You can see you have to call but that's the water come through. In my real life. Yeah. Stick and stay people, watch out. The people. So the river, see there? As you can see, this is a flat rock peeps. Because flat rock based off of the shapes of the rocks. So we call it flat rock. This was once a road. So we're standing on a bridge. This was once a road, people. And the river come from this side. The river is from this side. Yeah man, so the eye continue go straight up, go around, go up. We do a video already, you know. You can check in on the channel it there. We do a video already. Yeah. Cause man the peeps. Yeah man, we out here without fear. Like all the time. People look right us like the water. And yeah, man, under this, under the bridge, that me realize the people, this are the surrounding of the river. So this is the entrance. This is where we walk go down from the river, right there, so. So the bridge here. So that's the entrance to the river. And as you can see, beer trees, beer forest. Yeah man, beer forest. Bamboos, what if a bamboo tree. You know? Yeah man, I can do what if a craft. Eh. That's the inside the clips. That's the top side of the river. Spring and I drink some water, I'll show you some more scenes, and the trail continue to go straight back around so some of the people I drink some water. When you come down, you have to watch a step. Yeah. So spring are there a long time in the people. Look over there, man, come see. Father, man, come see. A long time with them. Rocket water. A long time rocket water. Funny bird and my kids. My friends are new town over there. See them? Chicken just chicken out. My God. I'm going to turn off the chicken on the way. You spring them with people. Natural spring water. Natural oasis. Cool. That I come from the outer under rock. About the range. And as you can see the river continue right up. Straight back. As I told you before, when you come check in with Freelance to the hike, you can go straight up the river. About 3-4 miles, 3-4 hours of walking. Yeah, you can, in the inside, you mean where we walk, to catch jungle. When you reach about a flat rock, and you hurry down from that jungle, you have turmeric. Turmeric, this one, sir. And we have the turmeric. The turmeric part down in the ground too. But the turmeric plant is, you know, see a greater it, you get a curry. So you need not to use no curry for it. And then stick and see how it's all. Look, more than yourself turmeric. Chunk peeps. Come on, come on, boy. Good though. Come on. Yeah, dig out one more. People were there. Right, that's all. To the storm over there. I'm going to get it clean up. But not fast. Right. Very beautiful way I do it. So I will have to let that do already. See water, the river water runs away then. Catch not a fish, so they can stay and come over. I drink the water by spring. And you have a phone. Pause. Yeah, people, me and Cosman there, you know. Cosman across the river. We go up a spring to drink some water. Going to thirst. Yeah, man. People, we go up a spring and we go drink some water. We go thirst. You know, I can't do that. You can see a family thing. Spring water. I come drink some with them, man. Spring on your whole cold. Yo. It's a whole cold. It's a spring water, you know. That come from a rock around and stuff. It never dry. That's why you're not fall. It never dry. The bamboo that might get up. Prevent you from walking around the water. Contaminate the water. The water is fresh. That cause man get a drink of tea. So you can see a lot of water. The peeps see it there. And spring come out right after the river same way. As me I tell you, say flat rock the right up there so. So as far as the eye can see around there so peeps, yeah man, that's how the trail go. But you know burial blood and go up a tree and something. So we are going to go through the trail and clean it up back, get it ready. But feel free people come book in with Freelance Jamaica TV peeps. Yeah man, I remember the merch them out people. Yeah man, remember the merch them out. Natural oasis man, go up there. Yeah man, see the spring of people. Yeah, so water come from a rock. Round there so. As we are telling before, the bamboo right has to prevent people from going around there to contaminate the water. The water come from out of the hills, you know, this water ever cold. Yeah man, you get your fresh. Enjoy yourself. The people feel free for booking with Freelance Jamaica TV. Stick and stay. And watch what I got. Yeah. People, I come across, you know. When I clip I don't get strained about it, I feel that very good. I'll save that for next time. I'll come across people remember and the mind is back up and you can see what it is. Alright. So you need to cross the water peeps. So you cross it, take your time. You catch two rainfall, you got them kind of slippery. Yeah man, so you take a little time and come across. That is it. Yeah man, we are Cosman out here people. Just a come from the grade. Cool. And get some water drink. The picture here look good. Great old cold my people. Right, that's what I just done drink my water. As you can see. Yeah man, so we're going to go back up the road now. And you can see the jungle go far around to enough peeps. As me I tell you, say. The natural oasis peeps. Stick and stay and watch our boy. Come on. That is it. Merch them the peeps. Feel free. I put the number in the description people so they can call you. Yeah, and place on order to merch them. So as you can see, just a come off a river. Yeah man, everything active on the river people. You see it pretty. The people just don't come from all cool. Yeah, so we are gonna go back up the road now. I trying to see the road I say no peeps. I'll be a bush there. Be a jungle. So my face wet and I sweat, yeah, sweat and I just don't come from the spring, so you don't know. You drink some water and wash your face. Yeah man, so I take a little time and go back up there now. But as me I say, people feel free to book in with Freelance Jamaica TV. Yeah man, we offer the best packages them people. If you want to come down, come get some nature tour, want to come get some good river, yeah man, you know say you're free, nobody in trouble, you nobody in deal nothing people. It's right, that's the best place. Yeah man. You know the location is off grid. People hardly come as a come trouble you. At the end of the day, river you yourself and yourself. Yeah man, as you can see me and cousin man there.
God is good. God is good.
Time.
Freelance.
See that peeps? See merch them there no people. Yeah man, feel free to check out the merch them peeps. Yeah man. So now look back away at people and see what I go on. And I tell you say it's a long trail, you know. And river, yeah the river the same way. You go all the way up. Yeah, that tell me about one next spring that cross your side. When you have time, we just go check it out, see them here down. Yeah, man. So people, we have a next spring for sure here, but I want to look far. So as soon as we get it active up when I get the video page. No. I'm down there, so at my dick. People don't see our brother. I call them at my dick. Them say I don't be about I don't know where I come from, you know. Right, that's what the pastor.
Stand tear up the must be.
People, nah, tell the people are buried to the place, so, you know. Want them take a good look. Hurricane Beryl. I'm showing the river now, people again. Showing say the eye continue go far up. See it there? Yeah, man. As soon as we get in the GoPro, people, we don't know say we active, we can enter the water. Yeah, man, but we don't get the GoPro yet, so we just go and hold off a little bit. Yeah, man, as soon as we get the GoPro, we can get some good water footage, underwater footage. Yeah, man. And the river continue go up, so. And you have one branch off over there, so see the track? You walk through the track here, so and go around there. Yeah, man, and a be in nature, could I?
Yeah, definitely risky to walk.
A water make road, that's you know?
Mm-hmm.
People find that a water make road right, just go down the river, you know? Yeah. As I'm showing you the river continue go far. People on bridge, you see the right, I say, you know? See that show you? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the river. The leader go straight back down to where we are come from. So it depends if you want to go left or you want to go right on the trail, peeps. To the water go straight up.
River big.
Wow. And huge.